Miss Saylor with Every Chiropractic Center, and today we're going to adjust Alan. And what brings you in today?
Well, actually, to do your testimonial. I say that only because she just asked me when I would come, and I said I haven't really had a problem between scheduled appointments. So I haven't really. She asked me when I would know, and I said I really don't because I just make it to my next appointment.
Because you're actually feeling good?
I'm feeling great.
You actually originally came in for neck pain?
Neck pain,
right?
yes.
Okay.
I've had it my whole life.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Yay! So we're going to turn this way. So what we're adjusting Alan with is, the technique is called KST. So you'll notice that he doesn't have to lay down on the table. We're going to actually adjust him mostly in a standing position. Start over here. And you're a big golfer, right?
Love golf. I'm not any good at it, but I'm addicted, nonetheless.
How's the golf game been?
It's been pretty good, and I'm playing really painless, and I play just about every day, so it's not like I go out once a week. I'm pretty much every day.
Awesome.
I played 18 yesterday, I'll play another 9 today.
Nice. I like to say we're golfers' secret weapons.
Yeah, absolutely. I find my golf swing to be much looser since I started this process. I haven't done any bowling really since I started. That'll be the true test for you. If I can play golf and bowl and feel good.
Well, we definitely can help that. He's looking really, really good, Alan.
Yeah, I feel great. When I first started coming, I was kind of putting biofreeze on every night, and I'm finding now, if I do it, it's kind of out of habit and just liking the feeling, but I haven't really needed it.
You're just going because it's blazing hot here in Michigan right now.
Yeah, right. Your whole body feels like you're biofreeze. It is. I put it on the other night, and I just nearly fried myself. I had to crank the air conditioning down to 32.
Actually, that's it. You look great.
Super.
Awesome. Go have a great game of golf.